Welcome. Today's topic is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is a force which acts between two or more atoms to hold them together as a stable molecule. See, it is not a process, it is a force which is acting between two or more atoms to hold them together to make a stable molecule. Now suppose if a definition of chemical bond is asked, force should be there, atoms holding together, and a stable molecule. At least stable molecule should be there because the molecule formed is stable. Now types of chemical bond. Electrovalent bond, second covalent bond, and third is metallic bond. See here, this electrovalent bond is formed between metal and non-metal. Covalent bond is formed between non-metal and non-metal, whereas the metallic bond is formed between metal and metal. See, by remembering this, a bond formed between metal non-metal will be your electrovalent. Bond formed between non-metal is your covalent, whereas metallic bond is purely metal and metal bond. It is a purely metallic bond. It is a covalent bond, while this is a mixture of metal as well as non-metal bond. So first topic today we are taking is electrovalent bond or ionic bond. It is also called ionic bond because in this bond formation of ions is there. So what is electrovalent bond or ionic bond? It is formed by complete transfer of electrons from valence shell of one metal to the valence shell of other non-metal. See, it is a complete transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal. So what we should remember here, it is a complete transfer of electrons. Complete transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal. Now let us take one example. The example we are taking here is NaCl. This we all know, it is a table salt, common salt, NaCl. See, Na is your sodium. Electronic configuration of atomic number of sodium is 11, so its electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 1. And another atom is chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 7. See here, in its valence shell, this sodium is having 1 electron, so this will be, according to octet rule, this will become stable only when it will either take 7 electrons or will give this 1 electron. After giving this 1 electron, this will be its valence shell, so this will become stable. So giving this 1 electron is more easy, so this will act here as metal. So it must be clear from this that metal is that element which gives electron, or by giving electron it acquires positive charge. Now see here, in the element of chlorine, the element of chlorine is having 7 valence electrons. So it will take 1 electron, or it is easy to give 7 electrons. So what is more easy for this? It is more easy to take 1 electron here. So this chlorine will take 1 electron and become non-metal. So this will be acting here as a negative ion. See here, positive ion and negative ion, two types of ions are found. Therefore it is called as ionic bond. Now how to draw structure of this NaCl? Now see here, Na is having 1 electron in its outermost shell. So we are showing only the outermost electron here. It is 1. Now chlorine is having 7 electrons. Because 1 is here, to show symmetry we will draw here only 1 electron but with opposite sign. So that we have taken a small x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See, already I have told you this, that this 1 electron will be donated. So this electron will be completely transferred from sodium to chlorine. So this will become, so now it's after giving this electron, it will become 2,8 and become Na plus. Similarly to this, as chlorine is having 7 electrons in valence shell, so according to octet rule, to become stable, it will take this 1 electron from chlorine. So now it will become, after taking electron, now it will become 288. Now it is also stable and this is also stable. After taking 1 electron from sodium, it becomes chlorine minus. Now see here, after the complete transfer of electron, it becomes ion. After taking 1 electron, it becomes ion. So here the formation of ions takes place. Therefore it is called as ionic bond. And this bond is called as electrovalent bond or covalent bond. Thank you for watching this video.